6-speed automatic, 4WD, and Claw. Silver Bullet. Flex Fuel. When was the last time you smiled as you turned the ignition key? Feel it again with this reliable 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Just one quick launch from a stoplight and you'll be sold. Nobody can resist the get-up and go in this truck. New Car Test Drive said. A smooth ride and confident handling while delivering superior capability and power. Among the smoothest riding and quietest of all full-size pickups, it can be counted on to get the job done. It is nicely equipped with features such as 6-speed automatic, 4WD, and Claw. Awarded Consumer Guide's rating of a recommended large pickup in 2011. Our vehicles are fully serviced and meet strict GM certification requirements. All GM-certified used vehicles come with a comprehensive warranty and 2 years complimentary maintenance. We are located 12 miles from Bradley International Airport, BDL. Fly in and we will pick you up.